Plant FAQs. Begonia Inca Flame. Begonia Inca Flame. Fiery foliage for discerning plant parents. Hi, Ferbvu here, and I'm obsessed with begonias. Particularly, the Begonia Inca Flame, a Rex begonia that stuns with its fiery foliage. This FAQ will answer all your burning questions, pun intended, about this dazzling plant, from care tips to its temperament compared to other begonias. See more 2,104 species in genus Begonia at monsteraholic.com. What is a Begonia Inca Flame? The Begonia Inca Flame is a Rex begonia, known for its stunning, textured leaves. This particular variety boasts a fiery color palette, deep reds and pinks with metallic accents. The leaves are heart-shaped and asymmetrical, adding to the visual intrigue. These begonias are native to India, but they thrive indoors worldwide as captivating houseplants. How do I care for a Begonia Inca Flame? Here's the good news. The Begonia Inca Flame isn't fussy, but a little TLC goes a long way in keeping those fiery hues vibrant. Light. Think jungle floor, not desert sun. Bright, indirect sunlight is ideal. Avoid harsh afternoon rays that can scorch the leaves. Water. Aim for consistently moist soil, but not soggy. Let the top inch dry slightly before watering again. Inconsistent watering can lead to wilting or brown spots. Humidity. Rex begonias crave humidity. Group them with other humidity-loving plants. Use a pebble tray or invest in a humidifier. Dry air can make the leaves crispy. Soil. A well-draining, aerated potting mix is key. Look for a mix specifically formulated for African violets or begonias. Temperature. These begonias prefer warmth. Keep them between 65 to 75 degrees Fahrenheit, 18 to 24 degrees Celsius. Avoid cold drafts or sudden temperature fluctuations. Fertilizer. During the growing season, spring and summer, a balanced, diluted houseplant fertilizer applied monthly will keep your Begonia Inca Flame happy. Pruning. You can trim leggy stems or remove damaged leaves to encourage bushier growth. Just make sure to use sterilized pruning shears. Toxicity. Be aware that Begonia Inca Flame, like most begonias, is mildly toxic to animals and humans if ingested. Keep out of reach of pets and children. Begonia Inca Flame versus other begonias. With over 1,500 species, the begonia family is vast. Here's a quick comparison of the Inca Flame to two popular begonias. Begonia semperflorens. Wax begonia, a flowering begonia known for its vibrant blooms in shades of red, pink, white, and yellow. It thrives in full sun and requires less humidity than the Inca Flame. Begonia dragonwing. Another flowering begonia with cascading, wing-shaped blooms in red, pink, or orange. It prefers full to partial sun and is a bit more tolerant of dry conditions compared to the Inca Flame. While the Inca Flame doesn't boast flashy flowers, its captivating foliage makes a statement all its own. Common problems with Begonia Inca Flame. Leaf drop. Underwatering or inconsistent watering can cause leaf drop. Ensure the soil stays moist but not soggy. Brown spots. Direct sunlight or low humidity can cause brown spots on the leaves. Move your plant to indirect light and increase humidity. Leggy growth. Insufficient light can lead to leggy growth with sparse foliage. Move your Begonia Inca Flame to a brighter location. Pests. Mealybugs and fungus gnats can be occasional nuisances. Use organic methods like neem oil to control them. With proper care, your Begonia Inca Flame should reward you with years of vibrant foliage. In conclusion, the allure of the Begonia Inca Flame. The Begonia Inca Flame is a stunning houseplant with minimal demands. Its fiery foliage adds a touch of drama to any indoor space. With a little attention to light, water, and humidity, you can enjoy this Rex begonia's beauty for years to come. So, why not add a touch of the Inca Empire to your home?